Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, as you can see here, my van's all set up. This is a super basic, simple setup, and I want to share it with you, so let's check it out. Alrighty, well, here we have it. We're back to the Coleman Comfortsmart cot. I took my bed out of here. I needed my table. You know, I used that 4-foot table across the back to make the bed. Up here, well, I needed that table in the house for a few things, so I took that bed out, and instead of making that bed back up, I decided to just quickly put in the Coleman Comfortsmart cot because it was quicker and easier, and here we are. Let me just show you how I leveled out the bed. As you know, these vans have floors that are not even, and when you are putting a cot in this direction, north-south, you're going to have a high end and a low end. So we have to do something to fix that. What I ended up doing was putting wood underneath the middle bar here, probably an inch, and a piece of wood up there. But more importantly, underneath that wood, I put rubberized shelf liner. The rubberized shelf liner helps this wood not to slip around on this carpet. And this, well, it's not really a pool noodle, but it's those pieces of things that look like pool noodle that come when you have appliances delivered. I save those things and I just use them. And I put that on the bar because it elevated the bar, obviously, and also helps keep this bar in place that it doesn't slip around on the wood. So all these things were found around the house and in the garage, and that's how I level out my bed. All right, where I keep my clothes? In my trunk organizer. I love this thing. So this is my trunk organizer from Drive. All my clothes will fit in here. My jackets, my hoodies, my everything goes in here. This conveniently slides under my bed, and I just love it. I love the fact that there's no lid on it. I don't like lids. I just like things that I can easily access. My Jackery battery stays there. The BougeRV here will be plugged into my Jackery, and my Jackery will be plugged into my van to keep that charged as I'm driving. So as you can see, I don't have much in here. That's just the way I like it. This is my other trunk organizer. It's from Hey Trip, and it has all my my necessities in here. My bug spray, my lights, my fire starting stuff, the little cords for my USB charged gadgets. A lighter is in here. I think, did I say my fans are in here? This is just the bin I'm going to use this time around. I don't really need much this time. This is about all I'm going to need. I'm just going to do a little rock hunting and just be gone for a day or two. So this trunk organizer is going to come in handy for my utility bin. And as you can see, I have it clipped back here, only using the front side because I really don't have anything to put in the back side of this. So let's push that back under here. That's my toilet over there. Now what I really love is the fact that I can have this chair in here. It fits perfectly, just perfectly. Over there you can see I have my window reflectix tucked in beside the bed, and the windshield one is rolled up. What I really love about this setup is I have these little cup holder things that are easily accessible for me. Before, when I had the bed over those, and I love that setup because I have a lot of room here, I did miss these. I did miss those cup holders, just space to put my stuff. Another nifty thing is in the evening I'm going to be able to put down my tray here if I need to do that. You know, just kind of, if I'm sitting on my bed here and I have a coffee or tea or something to drink, whatever, my iPhone, my iPad, whatever, I've just got this little handy tray here. So I'm really happy to be able to use that too. So this setup is super, super simple, very, very basic. And if you don't have a refrigerator like this, you're going to have a cooler, and you can put your cooler here. You could put your cooler behind your bed over there, whatever you choose. Doesn't have to be elaborate, doesn't have to be fancy. I like the whole less is more concept. Bring what you need, not what you think you might need just in case, because that is where the clutter begins. And I don't want to be a cluttery van camper, and I don't want you to be either. Up here, this is my coat rack. This is always where my coats reside when I'm not wearing them. It's just a great place to hang your jackets. You can get them easily, hang them up, they're out of the way. My backpack will go here. Again, I'm not going to be gone for an extended period of time, so I won't need a bunch of stuff. And I'm not going to bring my kitchen this time because I'm not going to be cooking. I don't want to bring it if I'm not going to use it. I do have a food bin here that I'll fill up, and I'll put my food in there, just my staple products, and I will have my refrigerator. And if I choose, I will bring my MSR stove and I will make coffee. Ooh. Look who's here. He's like Mr. Wilson on Home Improvement. He doesn't like to be seen. He's the funniest guy. So over here, this is my kind of like my utility area. This is where I keep my shoes, and it just keeps them out of the way. I won't need many shoes this time around. I probably will bring tall boots that will go here, and my water shoes, and those will go here as well. I just didn't get those in here. As you can see, I still have room under here because I don't have anything else much I'm bringing. But just wanted to show you this very basic setup that anybody can have, whatever kind of bed you have. And it, you know, if you have just an air mattress, that's fantastic. That's going to work out just great. You have all the room in the back of the van to put your things. If you don't have a refrigerator, you'll have a cooler. That's great. That's all you need. You know, everybody has some kind of a chair you can fit in here. And the reason I'm bringing this type of a chair instead of a bamboo, my little bamboo wooden one, which is what I normally put right there, is because if I'm at the beach and I want to get out and sit down, I'll have this chair. So it's dual purpose. I did have somebody mention to me also, well, why don't you just bring up the chair down there out of the floor and have it just so you can sit in it. I can do that, but I really don't choose to do that because it just takes up a lot of space, and I just like this space here, and I don't want a fixed chair. I basically want a chair that I can fold up, get rid of, and if I need to, tuck away. So then I'll even have more space down there. And also, the other reason is when I want to use the toilet, I can't really get in back there if I had the seat up that's in the floor. It just blocks off that area down there. But this chair I can just move and get my potty out and everything. But anyhow, this is it. This is my simple setup. And I love it. I love the simplicity. I love the fact that I can just put a few things in my van and take off, and I'm just so good. I have everything I need. I have a refrigerator, I have a bed, I have power, I have water. Oh, by the way, water. I'm going to bring a case of water this time, and I'm going to put it back here. So that's what I'm doing for that. I'm not going to bring my water pump and all that. I'm just going to bring a case of water this time. So that's just simple for me this time around. I'm doing the bare minimum, the basic, getting in my van, taking off, doing some rock hunting, and just being free and easy here, being free and easy. Whatever you have in your house, you can make this happen. It doesn't have to be exactly what I have. It could be whatever you have, and you just make it work. So anyhow, you guys, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I hope everyone's having a fantastic night. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them. I'm happy to communicate with everybody. I really love touching base with you guys. I appreciate your support. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I would love that, because everything I learn, I like to share with you, and in turn, you can share with your friends. So yeah, it's a win-win. That's what I say. Yeah. And what else? That is all. That is all. All right. Have a fantastic night. I will catch you later. Until next time.